So I think it's safe to say that right now we're all going through this really weird time. If you're watching this in the future, then hopefully things have calmed down by then, but at the time of recording, we're all currently undergoing a worldwide pandemic, which for the remainder of this video, I'll just refer to as the illness because I don't want to get demonetized. Now, in order to stop the spread, a lot of our governments have asked us to stay home and quarantine ourselves. What this ultimately means is that for a lot of us, we've transitioned to working from home, and for a lot of us, we've just stopped working completely. Before I continue, I just want to say that if you are one of those people who have been financially affected to the point where you don't know how you're going to pay for rent or feed your family, know that I am thinking and praying for you. I know too well what that level of stress feels like, so hold tight, you got this. In any case, I was thinking about the current state of things, and although I know staying home is the right thing to do so we can stop this, we can't deny the fact that it comes with some adverse effects. Even for me, who technically shouldn't be affected because I already work from home, now that everybody else is home as well, for every minute of the day, it feels like a never-ending weekend, so focusing on my work has never been harder because I am now more tempted to walk downstairs and chat with my fiance or my sister. More than that though, there's like this looming sense of despair and anxiety in the air. I was thinking about it though, and although these are very tough times, I do believe there's always a silver lining. And in this specific scenario for us, it's that right now, it is the perfect time to be a music producer. If you're not working in your home, then this means that you now have more time to dedicate to your craft. And even if you are working, this is still good news because your travel time is basically now non-existent, so it makes it easier to transition from work to music. Now, I'm not gonna pretend like this applies to everyone. I know some of us have way harder and more specific situations to deal with. You could have kids at home running around. You could be caring for another loved one who can't take care for themselves. So I get it. And for those in that predicament, in those predicaments, I send to you nothing but positive vibes. For those of you who can afford to use more of your time for music, then again, I say this is a golden opportunity. If you have ever wanted to dive into music, start music, or even if it's not music related, if you ever wanted to start a project, right now is the perfect time to do it. So then, in an effort to take my own advice, starting tomorrow, April the 3rd, I'll be starting a beat challenge for myself. Now, beat challenges are nothing new, and I'm not gonna pretend like I invented them, but they are really fun, and they ultimately get us into the habit of creating more. Recently, I've noticed that I've been spending a lot of time making YouTube videos, and that's great because the channel is growing. However, not enough time is dedicated to making beats. So then my plan is for the remainder of April to make one beat a day and post it to my Instagram, and then at the end of the month, I'll compile all of those beats and put them out as a beat tape on all major platforms. As far as the channel goes, I'll still be uploading every Thursday like normal, but I think for the remainder of this month, I'll also be uploading a beat breakdown video every Monday, covering a beat that I made the week before. I think what I'll do is at the end of the week, I'll make a poll on my Instagram asking you guys what beat you want me to break down that following Monday. So if you want to see what I'm cooking up and if you want to vote on what beat you want me to break down, make sure to follow me on Instagram. We're all in this together though, so as much as this challenge is for me, it's also for you. If you want to join me in this challenge, then make one beat a day and post it to your Instagram. It doesn't even have to be fully arranged or mixed. The whole point of this is to get into the habit of creating something every day, dedicating more time to the craft that we love, especially now that we have more of it, and ultimately to get our minds off this illness. If you are joining me in this challenge though, then make sure to use the hashtag #StuckAtHomeBeatChallenge and tag me in all your posts so I can see what you guys are cooking up. I think what I'll also do is at the end of every day, I'll pick my 5 favorite beats that you guys have tagged me in, and I'll repost them to my Instagram story, and then take 2 of those and highlight them at the end of my beat breakdown videos every Monday. So to recap, if you want to join this challenge, here are the rules. Make one beat a day and post it to your Instagram. Use the hashtag #StuckAtHomeBeatChallenge so we can all find each other and show some love. And then if you want me to repost your beats to my Instagram story and to my YouTube videos, make sure to follow me and tag me in whatever you make. But that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I know these are weird times, but we're all in this together and we'll all make it out together. So let's go ahead and make some music, and I'll see you on the next one.